legs are tired about there.
I had one of those as well. I don't feel so bad.
You are doing tomorrow?
No.
Oh.
No, today's our last day.
That was the run.
That was the run. It was beautiful.
So tomorrow you have to make me another run better than this run. It's the last day for them, not for me.
I can do that.
Yeah, anyway.
Is there a problem up there?
Right. Well, it's a ski.
Or Paul, I think.